Resinity helps tracking food quality throughout manufacturing journey using smart labels. Scan QR code or tap with NFC to collect data from smart labels. Disposable smart labels are a cost-effective way to record and retrieve environmental factors the food has been exposed to, such as multiple temperature readings, various humidity levels, or if any of your fragile items have been dropped along the way. With Resinity, smart labels are tailored for your supply chain. Use them on individual products, large boxes, pallets or batches for accurate information than with a standard data logger. Ensure traceability and transparency throughout food manufacturing process. Learn more at resinity.com.